One simple layering trick can instantly transform a flat design into something that feels cinematic and immersive. Today, how to explore advanced layered frame effects. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1080 canvas. Start by selecting a dark charcoal background and apply a subtle radial gradient for atmosphere. Insert a wide rectangular frame in the center and upload your primary image. Double-click the image and adjust the crop so the most important visual element becomes the focus. Duplicate the frame twice and place the copies behind the original. Increase the size of each duplicate slightly and lower their transparency gradually to create a realistic depth effect. Add a small